Hi guys, welcome to PageFly Academy. In this video, we'll walk you through the different kinds of pages that are essential for your e-commerce store. These pages are not just useful, they help build trust with your customers, answer common questions, and showcase your brand effectively. Let's start with the About Us page. This page is your chance to tell your brand's story, share your mission, values, and the story behind your business. It connects with your customers emotionally and helps them trust you. Next up is the FAQ page. This page addresses the most common questions customers have about your products, shipping, returns, and more. Make sure it's organized and easy to navigate so your customers can find the answers they need. Moving on to the Contact Us page. This page should provide your customers with all the ways they can get in touch with you, whether it's through email, phone, or even a contact form. The Privacy Policy and Terms of Service pages. The privacy policy and terms of service pages are essential for protecting both your customers and your business. These pages should clearly outline how customer data is used and the rules for using your site. These are just a few of the essential pages that every successful e-commerce store needs. By creating clear, informative, and engaging pages, you'll build trust with your customers and improve your sales experience. Ready to start? Let's get building!